Okay, well, let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, everyone. Good morning. So in today's sessions, we are going to discuss about how to write an abstract. So today is week 15. It is our last week for thesis writing class. So here is the structure of an abstract. Abstract summarize usually in one paragraph of 250 to 300 words. The major aspects of the entire paper in prescribed sequence that includes first, overview. So second, the purpose of your study and research problems. Third, research method and technique of analysis. The fourth is my major findings. And the last one is research implications. So it's actually, it is the general structure of abstract. Then you need to include overview. Overview is the general ideas of your research. And then you state the purpose of your study. What is actually the research problem and what is your research purpose. And then don't forget to put the research method. What is the method you implemented in your research, and also the technique of analysis if you have one. And then major findings. The last is research implications. So here is the example of my abstract. So the title is Critical Discourse Analysis on Name Shifting Practice Among Millennial Muslims in Indonesia. So here is the overview. Overview is like introductory sentence. For instance, name giving is not merely compilation of words to meet official record registrations. Yet, the idea behind this has some socio-cultural values. Indonesian Muslim names have now experienced some changing from the past. Jadi ini dua kalimat awal ini adalah overview-nya. Lalu kemudian purpose. This research aims at analyzing the discourse of millennial Muslim names in Indonesia. Boleh begitu saja. So this is introducing the research aims of your research project. And the next one is the method. And because we implemented NVivo for the analysis, so we put here NVivo 12 Plus used to analyze the notes data of 3 categories. Kategorinya berdasarkan research-nya ya. Lalu ini juga masih terkait dengan metode. Another analysis use word frequency, word cloud, dan sebagainya. Lalu selanjutnya adalah result show. Finding-nya bisa dengan frase this research finds, boleh begitu, atau result show that there was a shift in Indonesian millennial Muslims naming practice. As pure Arabic and mixing category have upward trends in comparison to pure Indonesian category. Ini major finding-nya. Begitu ya. Lalu yang terakhir jangan lupa Anda masukkan research implications. Lalu what does it imply setelah finding itu ditemukan? Apa maknanya dari finding itu? Oke. Lalu ini ada satu kalimat terakhir sebagai penutup, itu biasanya research implications. Biasanya frase yang digunakan adalah this present research has shed a light that Indonesian millennial Muslim parents wants to pertain their children's identity as Muslim, as well as wanting their children to be part of the global world. Tadi karena major finding-nya tentang nama-nama sekarang yang lagi tren itu, ternyata tren bagi millennial Muslims adalah Arabic, pure Arabic, dan mixing kategori. Jadi mixing Arabic dengan misalkan dengan Spanish, dengan Turkish, atau dengan English, begitu. Ini research implications. Lalu yang terakhir biasanya setelah abstrak ada keywords. Keywords-nya berdasarkan biasanya topik besarnya ya, atau berdasarkan judul juga bisa. CDA, the Critical Discourse Analysis, name, Muslims, millennial. Oke, begitu singkat tentang bagaimana penulisan abstrak. Oh ya, satu hal penting, abstrak itu ditulisnya dengan spasi 1 ya. Dengan spasi 1, word count-nya, jumlah katanya itu sekitar 250 atau 300 kata. Tidak lebih dari itu biasanya. Okay, that's all for the material about how to write an abstract. Hopefully it is useful for your research. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.